welcome to day 3. What's up everyone? Today is Wednesday, the third day of this 7-day vlog series. I'm up and ready to head out for my internship. It's 9:15 in the morning and I'll have my breakfast. I have my lunch right here. Woo. Made it yesterday. Rice with veggies. Pulao. Not veg biryani. Pulao. No, I'm kidding. I'll just have my milk and muesli, get some warm clothes on and head out. Check out the view. You know, it's such a coincidence, or people think Norway or maybe Oslo is a dark place, less sunlight. But believe me, last week we had sunlight every day, but this week all cloudy. While I wait for the second bus, let me tell you about this beautiful thing. It's this hashtag sign is a symbol of Ruter. Ruter handles all the public transport here in Oslo, and we're in zone 1. There are two ways to buy this card. Either you can buy it online and have it on your phone, or you can just get this card. It costs 462 crowns for a student pass for a month. And the benefit of buying a card is that you can share it with other. So either you can go to the Ruter web page to just recharge it, or you can go to a Narvesen store and you can get it recharged when you have it. What you're gonna do is you have to activate it. Several ways to do that. One of them would be to I'll show you one of the ways. Oh, see, buses here. Adding to what I was saying about this card. Oslo is in zone 1, and if you have this card, I have it for 30 days. 30 days, it's 462 crowns. If you have this card, or if you have it on your phone, guess what all you can access. Firstly, the buses, metro, they call them T-Bahn here. Then you have ferries and even the tram. So one card does it all. And Oslo in particular has an amazing public transport network. So it's really helpful. It seems pretty expensive initially, but then this is the cheapest, and I would say the best way to commute within Oslo for longer distances. For shorter distances, get yourself a bike. It's a beautiful city. You would love riding here. I love riding here. Look at the lights here, it's so good. घूमने के पर्पस से यार, जैसे भी रहने के पर्पस दोनों बता दो आप। At the internship with Gurpreet Paji. So Paji has been
लिविंग इन ऑस्लो फ्रॉम द लास्ट 1.5 years, तो उनके इंसाइट्स काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेंगे क्योंकि मैं तो अभी आया 5 महीने पहले। पाजी को ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है यहाँ पे। तो पाजी आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे, कैसा रहा अभी तक का सफ़र? अच्छा रहा?
सफ़र
बहुत बढ़िया रहा।
बढ़िया रहा, सफरिंग नहीं थी सफ़र में।
और ठंड कैसी पड़ती है इधर?
ठंड तो कड़ाके की पड़ती है।
बाकी सब बढ़िया?
हाँ सब बढ़िया। बाकी
तो लोगों को आना चाहिए?
लोगों को आना चाहिए, घूमना चाहिए, देखना चाहिए, बढ़िया है।
बहुत बढ़िया
देश नॉर्वे बहुत बढ़िया देश।
एजुकेशन वगैरह भी अच्छी है।
एजुकेशन भी बढ़िया, लोग भी बढ़िया हैं यहाँ पे।
किसी को गुरप्रीत पाजी से कांटेक्ट करना हो तो बता देना। पाजी मतलब बिल्कुल एक्सपीरियंस्ड है यहाँ पे। Done with the internship for today. Heading home. It's almost 5:15. It's 15. It's almost 5:15 and I'll see you when I get home. खुल जा सिम हो जाए फिर से।
खुल जाओ।
Finally home. What time is it? It's around 6. Gonna freshen up and I hate home workout. I wish the gyms open soon. They closed down in November. No idea when they'll be open again. Let's see what's happening in the kitchen. Oh, what did you make? Paratha?
No, just chapatis and rajma.
Hi Alka.
Hello.
Had a good day?
Yes.
What did you do?
Homework.
Homework is a good day. Just finished and an amazing workout. But home workouts suck, man. I miss the gym so much.
Oh wait, I have to look at the
What you guys making?
pasta.
Pasta.
Is pasta.
So guys, since I'm out of content, let's see what's in our fridge. Let's do a fridge haul. So this is my shelf. Let's see what it has. Cucumber, lemon juice, milk. I forgot what it's called. Oh, mustard, yeah. Pasta, no, salsa, bread, eggs, trees, no, broccoli. That's it for the fridge tour, guys. Thank you for tuning in to that amazing fridge. Check out something. We'll do a freezer. What's it called? Freezer haul when I'm out of content again. Till then, this is a sneak peek. Alright guys, it's almost 8:30. Done for the day. Dinner was good. And Don't forget to tune in tomorrow because I'll be going to the university. I'll give you a small virtual tour. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, how do you say see you tomorrow in Norwegian? Ha det bra!
No.
So bad.
Like, how do you say goodbye?
Yeah, see you tomorrow is BTS.
Yeah.
So bad.
Get